Hey there, my name is Emmanuel, and I'm here to help you set up your Nala account. The whole process is going to take about 2 minutes. So, after downloading the app from the App Store or the Play Store, you'll be prompted to sign up. The best option is to go with your Google ID or your Apple ID, since they're easier and you don't have to remember the password. Now, the next step is to select your country of residence. In my case, I'll choose the UK. Now, let's choose the country where you want to send money. I'll go through Rwanda for now, but once you're signed up, you can pretty much send money to any country that we service. Great. Now, let's enter your phone number. So once you've entered your phone number, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Now, enter that code back into the verification screen. Now, once you've entered the verification code, you'll get a chance to add an invitation code. If you have one, make sure to add it on this step. If not, feel free to skip over it, and this will direct you to the Nala home screen. As you can see, I have a prompt here to verify my identity. Now, for the next step, you'll need to add some of your personal details and scan your ID so that we can verify that it's you. This step is to make sure that your money is always protected. So let's start with your address. Now, accuracy with this one is pretty crucial. So make sure to use your full current address and the same one that's linked to your bank account. This way, when it comes to payment verification, your transactions will be processed seamlessly. So I'll go ahead and add my address and hit continue. Next up, go ahead and grab one of the following documents: passport, national ID, except for Kenyan national ID cards, driver's license, or a British biometric residence permit. For my case, I'll use my national ID. Now, the app is going to prompt me to scan the document. Now, hold it steady and take a clear photo with all the information included. So we hit the last step, and that's to take a selfie so that we can make sure that the person in the picture is actually you. So make sure your face is centered, and let's say cheese. And there you have it. Your account is all set up, and now you're ready to do your first transaction with Nala. Check out our next video on how to send money and for a step-by-step guide on the full process. My name is Emmanuel, and just like me, you are now a Nala user.